Good Tuesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Low pressure is still working through southeastern Alaska, but the pressure gradient is relaxing just a little bit. Therefore, some of the gusts are coming down from what we've seen in the last 12 to 18 hours. Pretty gusty period there with some pretty strong winds working through Skagway up to about 50 miles per hour there, and stronger conditions around Eldred Rock and southward. Looking out into the open Gulf first, a 946 millibar low is working north. That'll add more clouds and stronger winds once again to areas in the outer coast of southeast. So the period of wind and high seas in the outer coast not over yet. Rainfall reported around central and southern parts of southeast. As the front is working inland through Yukon and British Columbia and into the southern parts of the Copper River Basin, showers will continue there. The front will gradually relax. But like I said, a new front is going to replace that as early as tonight and tomorrow. A 956 millibar low is expected south and west of Kodiak, and that will still have a front attached to that. Expecting more rain and wind through parts of southeast, periods of snow and some of the higher terrain there. A different story for the interior. Relatively quiet conditions there. Air quality may still be an issue for some around Fairbanks and North Pole. With snow showers across the southern slopes of the Brooks Range, expect a tight wind gradient and blustery conditions blowing snow across the eastern Beaufort Seacoast and parts of the northern Bering Seacoast, as well as St. Lawrence Island. And in those places, a blizzard warning continues until noon on Wednesday for places like Kaktovik. Again, that'll be for poor visibility and strong and gusty winds to about 55 miles per hour. For the Chukchi Seacoast, including places like Shishmaref and Kivalina, expect a winter weather advisory for blowing snow tonight. Again, those will include winds gusting to 45 miles per hour, so that's just for tonight. And for St. Lawrence Island and the Bering Strait coast, a blizzard warning is in effect until 6 p.m. tomorrow. Looks like many areas will still be looking at some light snow accumulations, but gusts upwards of 55 miles per hour will lower visibility, creating poor travel conditions and dangerous weather situations there. In the meantime, blustery conditions will continue through this evening and into early tomorrow morning for the eastern Alaska Range passes there, with gusts up to 55 miles per hour, especially late tonight, gradually decreasing tomorrow. As we look out across the Gulf of Alaska, storm force winds are expected for many areas, and once again, seas ranging in the mid to upper 20-foot range are expected. With Alaska's statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder.